we have a SAP BW parts or area. Majorly, we can say there is a three parts of your SAP BW. Okay, modeling, extraction, and reporting. So modeling, that means, okay, you can say design your objects, develop your objects. Okay, that is called modeling. Whatever the development comes under modeling. And extraction, okay, whatever the data you want to extract from various source, okay, that is called extractions. Okay, and that is a last point, that is reporting. So reporting basically, okay, whatever the data, okay, it's extract from source. Okay, now you want to generate a report on this data. Okay, so called a reporting. So we have various tools currently in the market, like BO, business objects. We have a SSC, we have a Power BI, we have a Tableau. So many reporting tools are there. So based on the requirement, okay, and business need, they are going to implement which is the most suit for the business. Next, you can see how uh, look like your architectures of earlier BW warehouse. You can see the data is actually coming from source system and move into the BW servers. Okay, then you can generate the report based on your data. So data you can store into info cubes, okay, ODS and master data. Okay, whenever you required, you can generate a report based on these BW server objects, info cube, ODS, or master data, and generate the report. Either you go for BOs, or earlier it was not any BO, so you will have a reporting tools called BEX analyzers, web application designer. So these are the basically complete overview of early system, how data extract from source and how to load into BW system and generate the report based on the reporting tools. Okay, next. Yeah, now you can see have a architecture of BW for HANA, that is latest one. Okay, so you can see the data basically it is coming from various ETL tool. Either you can use BODS. BODS is also known as the ETL tool. Okay. Also you can use third party any tools to extract the data. Okay. You will have a new concept, ODP framework. Okay. So earlier it was not there. Okay. ODP. Okay. So ODP is kind of extractor. Okay. Kind of extractor or similar to the LO, logistics extractions. Okay. Which is used in the previous versions. But now BW support only ODP framework. Okay. How can use to extract the data from SAP system. Okay. Or S4 system. So we will discuss, we will separate session for this. So this is the part of your extractions basically. And now you can see we have a BW for HANA modeling tool, wherever you can design your objects, okay, your DTP and all, whatever the process, okay, you can design here objects and you can load the data either from your S4 HANA, either or your any SAP system or flat file to your BW, okay, server. Once you have a design and loaded the data into BW for HANA data warehouse, then we can generate a report based on the available reports or available reporting tools. Example, here we have a business object, SSC, or any third party, example, Power BI, we have a Tableau. Okay. Apart from that, we have a concept called Open Hub Services. So what do you mean and what is the scope of Open Hub Services? So Open Hub Services basically to use to extract the data from BW. Okay. Or you can extract or export the data from BW itself to your another table or another flat file or in your third party tool. So this is we have a basic architectures how look like for BW for HANA. Okay, so this complete you should have map in your brain or your mind. So how look like, and this is the complete you have to follow entire classes. Okay, how we are creating the objects and how we can extract and how we can generate a report. So you should have a like a picture on your mind. This is very important.